walk in my shoes and feel what I feel, knowing that any given day you just might get killed out in the streets trying to make it in this rap game. I might not have a lot of money, but I got fame. I thank my fans just for listening to what I say, whether they gave me $5 or just didn't pay. It's like I run this underground rap lifestyle. I'm not on TV, but I still got a bright smile. In this industry, God's always been with me. No matter what, He defeats the enemy. I've been a soldier for Jehovah, trying to stay sober. If I'm an outcast, so what? I'd rather sip soda. Situations in my life left me traumatized. They didn't kill me, so I'm stronger now. I realize that you probably couldn't even fit in my shoes. These size 10 really fit me real good.
I'd rather feel the pain than be handcuffed and in chains. Lord, I feel you in my pain, knowing life is not a game. Lord, I love you so.
I know that money doesn't solve every problem. Sometimes I think about banks and wanna rob them. I'm not an angel, but I feel like I must be. I got a family and kids who love me. Throughout the pain and the struggle, I stay strong, praying that I make a difference in the long run. I'm 24, but I feel like I'm 35. Either way, I still thank God that I'm alive. I know how to make it look like I got money, but at the end of the day, it's not funny. I've been stuck in the rain many times, in the streets, begging for nickels and dimes. I got banned from the corner store down the street, cause I was hustling, trying to make ends meet. I had the police knocking on the front door. I've seen my mom cry so many times before. I've seen so many cops in my bedroom. Now I'm in peace, all alone in my rec room.
I'd rather feel the pain